You're looking for a high-yield savings account, but one question keeps popping up: how safe is my money with an online bank? It's a totally fair concern. When you can't walk into a physical branch, the security of your funds depends entirely on the digital protections in place. So let's talk about BrioDirect, an online banking division of Webster Bank, N.A., and the security features they offer to keep your savings safe and sound. The foundation of your safety with BrioDirect starts with two critical assurances. First, FDIC insurance. BrioDirect accounts are with Webster Bank, N.A., which is an FDIC-insured institution. That means your deposits are insured up to the maximum legal limit, $250,000 per depositor, for each ownership category, just like they would be at a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. This protects your principal even in the unlikely event of a bank failure. Beyond insurance, BrioDirect uses multiple layers of digital security to protect your account from unauthorized access. One key feature you'll use every day is multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This goes beyond just a password. Every time you log in, BrioDirect uses MFA to verify your identity with something you know, your password, and something you have, a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email, or security questions. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access, even if they manage to steal your password. Next up, let's talk about the mobile banking app. In a world where we manage everything on our phones, BrioDirect provides fast and secure ways to log in using biometric credentials like Touch ID or Face ID. This is a much stronger, faster, and more convenient layer of security than typing in a password every time. The app is also protected with industry-standard security protocols to keep your information safe while you're banking on the go, whether you're checking a balance or depositing a check. BrioDirect also empowers you to be your own first line of defense with account alerts. You can set up notifications for things like large purchases, low balances, or transfers. These alerts are pushed to your mobile device or sent via email, allowing you to monitor activity in real time and quickly spot any suspicious transactions. Early detection is key to preventing fraud, and these alerts put you in control. Finally, they employ advanced encryption, specifically 256-bit encryption for web browsers, to secure all communications between your computer or mobile device and the bank servers. This technology scrambles your personal and financial data, making it unreadable to anyone trying to intercept it. In short, BrioDirect combines the rock-solid security of FDIC insurance with cutting-edge digital defenses like multi-factor authentication, biometric login, real-time account alerts, and robust encryption. They put the technology in place so you can focus on saving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.